it's Kathleen with Break Free Homestead. Here today to talk to you about our garden plans for 2021 and let you know about this awesome deal we got on our seeds. If you would, drop down below, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already. Your support really helps grow our homestead. I wanted to get on here today and talk about our plans for our garden for 2021. In the past, we've done some tilling in the ground, put some dirt in, grown our vegetables. This year, we're gonna do things a little bit differently. We have a lot of changes going on in the house. We're gonna be doing a home addition and renovation. We have our pig pen where our garden used to be. So instead of trying to find another location for the garden in the ground, this year, we're gonna build some raised beds. This year, we're gonna build about 8 6x3 beds. We've had a lot of issues with our soil in the past, so I think this is gonna make a big difference. We're gonna have some good compost in there, and we're gonna bring some good dirt in, and I'm really hoping that it's gonna help the growth of our vegetables this year until we can get back to a traditional garden. We do have some seeds that are gonna go directly into the ground. Our big fruits, our watermelon, our cantaloupe, things like that we wanna grow, we'll still put directly into the ground in a separate area, as well as our sunflowers, which we had a really good time with last year, and corn. So I wanted to talk a little bit about our seeds that we're using this year. This is the first year that we have bought a kit like this. In the past, I feel like we spend way too much on seeds that are just not that great of quality. So we found this from Pure Pollination. It's an heirloom vegetable kit. There's over 40 seed packets in here. Honestly, there's like over 16,000 seeds. We will never use that many. The book it came with said that it can cover over an acre worth of vegetables to support your family. We are not going to plant that much. We're gonna keep it pretty minimal. There are some extra things in here that we want to plant that we have not tried before, so I think that's gonna be fun. But overall, we're gonna stick to the higher quantities of things that we will typically use regularly. So we got this from Pure Pollination. It was about 35 bucks, so it's a really awesome deal. We would spend way more than that if we went to the store and bought out individual seed packets for every single thing.
I want to help you.
You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, I got my little helper here. So in the past, we've started all of our seedlings indoors, mid-March, really just kind of winging it. Had no really idea time frame. I kind of just always went for that 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. What was awesome about this is it came with a book for each individual vegetable. In the packet, it gives you how much sun exposure, when to plant indoors, which ones can go directly into the ground or the beds and don't need to be started indoors, the time frame when to do it, when to harvest, harvesting tips, row spacing, plant spacing. It's actually been...
And they have sand.
And they have sand. It's been a huge, I would say, educational insight for me, because there's a lot of things that I just didn't know myself, so. Right? So we're still a few weeks away from starting in the indoor seeds, but I wanted to make sure I shared this in case anybody else is looking for a seed kit. It's a great deal. We can link it below. We're not affiliated with Pure Pollination. We just thought it was a good deal. We wanted to be able to share it with you. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited about for your garden this year. I know for us, it's really just the idea of having fresh vegetables again. Getting through the cold winter with nothing fresh is a little bit more difficult, so we're excited for fresh vegetables in the summer. What's your favorite vegetable from the garden?
Carrot.
Carrots. Are you going to help me plant the carrots this year?
Mm-hmm.
You are. What other kind of veggies do you like from the garden?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh, yeah. I wonder if our strawberries from last year survived. We'll have to check, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, are you going to help me start the seeds this year?
Yeah, I'm gonna build it with my sanding.
You're going to build it with your sand things? Oh, that's going to be so great. I'm so excited.
And I have these, so I have some.
You have some already?
Yeah.
Gloves? Yeah, okay.
There's blue and pink.
Blue and pink.
You are gonna use the pink and I'm gonna use the blue.
Perfect. So inside this package, all of the individual vegetables came in little tiny packages. So unlike the traditional seeds that you can buy at the store, that have the directions on the back of each individual thing and you have to keep them forever, this is great. It doesn't take up much space. I can just close it in here. I have my book that I can fit in there with it, and it'll be perfect. Thanks for supporting us. We're excited to get into our growing season this year with you, and we'll see you next time.
And you and me.
And you and me.